Hi, Chris here from the Indicator Guys, and here's a short video on trading symmetrical triangle wedge patterns. So in front of me I've got the USDJPY, and I've noticed that a wedge pattern has been setting up here for quite a while. This is a symmetrical triangle wedge pattern that you can see on the right hand side here, and what I've done is I've drawn it on my chart, so I can see this is definitely a symmetrical triangle. So on the right hand side you can see that my anchor chart is telling me that the market is long at the moment. Okay, so all I've done was I waited for an entry zone to fire, which has actually fired about 15 minutes ago on the system, and I entered the market here where the green line is, and really now I'm just waiting to see how the trade plays. I've already put my stop in, which is the blue dot that you can see on the chart on the left hand side, and that's known as my initial stop. Since then I've actually got a new stop, which is the small white dot just above it. So you know, already my stop's moving up, and we kind of just need to sit back and watch this trade now, and that's half of what trading is, just bearing with it and watching the trade. Okay, so I'm just going to pause the video now, and we're going to see how this trade plays out. Okay, so as you can see, we're already up quite a bit of profit. We've got a new stop, which has now kind of drawn itself, which is this series of white dots. So that's our new trading stop, which I've already entered into the book. So my profit is now already safe. If this market was to reverse and turn around, then I know that I've still locked in my profit. So I'm just going to draw a horizontal line here to show you where my new stop is. To show you, you know, we've already got, you know, 100 and so points profit here. There's nothing really indicating to get out of this trade yet. I've got a couple of exit strategies that I use. One of them being a red dot to come up. That's quite a strong exit strategy. One of them is a loss of momentum, which is down on the indicator at the bottom. Okay, and these are reasons that I might get out of this trade. Now everything's still saying that the trade's long at the moment. I've locked in my profit. You know, this is an excellent example of how easy this can be to trade, and this is something we do in the offices every single day, is just trading this system with these easy to use strategies that we teach. So you know, I'm still in this trade. I've locked in my profit. It's a completely safe trade to be in now. I could just sit back and relax. I could leave my desk. I could do anything I want now, and I know that I've locked in profit. I'm just changing the time to local because I've noticed that I'm looking at exchange time. There's nothing really to worry about. It's just because I want the time to show at the bottom the correct time. If you set the time to exchange, you're looking at American time usually. Whatever the exchange that you're working on, you're looking at the time of that exchange. So I've just set mine to local, and now we can see the time in UK time where I am. You know, we're seeing a loss of momentum down the bottom on the histogram, which is indicating to me that I might want to be looking at getting out of this trade. I've already got a substantial amount of points. My profit's locked in. This is a great trade, a great example of how easy it can be to trade using the home trading system. So I think I'm going to get out of this trade now. I'm just looking for an exit. So let's see what we can get here. Just exiting this trade in my broker, taking my points. Okay, so we're out of the trade. This is where I've got out of the trade at this price. So we've locked in a, you know, good few hundred points there, and just, you know, this is how clear and easy it can be to trade. These are strategies that we teach every day. Just enter your email address below, and these are things that we'll be sending you to your email address, so you can trade this way too.